If you're under 1,000 subscribers, you need to make this video today. It has grown me and hundreds of other channels like this, and this to their first 1,000 subscribers fast. And once you understand how to make it the right way, you will literally be one video away from getting monetized. You see, there are some concepts on YouTube that randomly pop up and work every single time. Like this free course style video that got my client Joel Kaplan 500,000 views. Or this to prove it's not luck concept that blows up almost every time. Or even this new POV style that's almost impossible not to go viral with. The problem is 99% of small YouTubers just don't find these concepts until it's too late. But I'm on a mission to grow 1,000 YouTube channels to over 100,000 subscribers completely for free, and I want you to be one of them. Which is why I'm about to tell you 3 types of new videos that are getting 10,000 views almost every single time they're posted. And I can guarantee that these 3 videos will blow up your channel and get you 1,000 subscribers fast. The first type of video is one of the easiest ways to get views. And when I first discovered it on my old channel that was only getting a couple hundred views per video, it literally took my views from a few hundred to a few 100,000, which was a huge deal for me back then because I was stuck in small channel jail for almost a year. But this type of video allowed me to break out and finally monetize my channel, which allowed me to make my first $1,000, $2,000, even $3,000 a month on YouTube. And YouTubers like Bia Heza, Michelle Correa, and Matt Diavella all use them to become big YouTubers. A challenge video is any video where you try to do something in real time. I tried day trading for 30 days, not sleeping until I booked 30 sales calls with SMMA cold calling. I took cold showers for 30 days. These videos are so much more powerful than a sit down talking head video because frankly, anyone can sit down and explain something, but doing it in real time and filming it cannot be faked, at least not as easily. And people want to see what would happen if they tried the same thing. It all comes back to human psychology. On the video, I tried dropshipping for 30 days. Viewers who are interested in dropshipping can get all the experience, pain, and success that comes with doing it for 30 days in the matter of 10 minutes. I mean, how many of us actually want to take cold showers? I know I don't. But if it has a lot of health benefits, I might be convinced to give it a shot. But instead of being uncomfortable for 30 days and trying it myself, I would much rather watch Matt Diavella do it from the comfort of my bed and see the exact results that he got. Then, if he thought it was worth it, maybe I'd do it too. These videos, if done right, can make it hard for the viewer not to click because they are saving 7, 30, or 365 days of time and effort by you only watching 10 minutes. And the best part is that you can literally create these videos in any niche. From business to health to cooking and even entertainment. These videos are much more engaging than a talking head and form a genuine connection with the audience that makes them come back for more. But if you don't know how to properly do the title and thumbnail for them, then your video is going to flop. Because if someone doesn't click, then they can't see all the hard work that you put into that challenge video. And there's something that I've started doing recently that's allowed me to blow up on every single challenge video we post across our clients' channels. And in the next minute, I'm gonna show you what it is, how it works, and how you can use it to blow up your next video. But to have them actually get views, you need to structure them correctly because they look a lot different than a talking head video that looks like this. Instead, it looks like this. But if you're lazy like me and don't want to go through all the effort and work it takes to do these challenge videos, then there is another type of video that you need to make. All it is a sit-down talking head. No crazy shots, editing, or high stakes. All you need to do is frame the video in a very specific way. And once you do it, it will almost always get views and grow your channel past 1,000 subscribers. Just like it did for Matt Shields, who was struggling to get views, and then all of a sudden, this video went super viral. It's called To Prove It's Not Luck, and it has been blowing up. But the craziest part is that the videos just look like this. It works so well because it goes back to human psychology. You see, people naturally think that hard things are luck or successful people just got lucky. So a video that promises to break that belief creates a ton of curiosity and also promises to show people how to do that hard thing instead of relying on chance. But you need to make sure you make it the right way, otherwise it will not perform. And your channel, unfortunately, will stay stuck in the same place, which will lead to you feeling discouraged that all the hard work that you put in has led to nothing. Which is why 95% of small YouTubers quit before they ever hit their first 1,000 subscribers. But if you make this video correctly, it will perform, you will get monetized and even start to earn money from it. You do this by telling your story in the video. If your video is titled, I started a YouTube channel from scratch to prove it's not luck, then tell the story of you starting that YouTube channel from scratch and seeing success. If it's, I bought my first rental property at 21 to prove it's not luck, tell the story of finding, buying, and closing your first rental property at 21. Talk about the actions that you took to make that hard thing a reality, and I guarantee you people will love it because it is an extremely simple video that almost always gets views. videos. But just like the challenge videos, if you don't do the title and thumbnail correctly, then the video will never take off. So you need to make your thumbnails look like this. All right, so the first thumbnail concept that we're gonna go over is called a whisper thumbnail. Now, if I draw a thumbnail concept right here, then what we have is we have our main person. So we have our main person. It's gonna look something like this, right? Now, what this person is going to do is they are going to whisper. So they're going to have their hand up here, and they're gonna have their hand here, and then it looks pretty funny, but you're basically gonna whisper. And then what you're going to have is you're going to have your dream outcome right here. So here is going to be your dream outcome. All right, so now you can actually fill this with whatever you want. What this could look like, for example, this thumbnail by Biaheza, right? It says Wi-Fi bread, 541,000 subscribers, right? The dream outcome of that person that's watching that Biaheza video, which is I made a secret YouTube channel to prove it's not luck. Their dream outcome is to blow up and have a big YouTube channel, right? So that's the dream outcome right there. Now, another way you could actually do this one, the whisper, is like this. So what you could do is you could have you, we'll use a stick person this time, right? So you could have a whisper, and then you could have your dream outcome surrounding you. So all it is a whisper and dream outcome. Now what that could look like for the same video, I made a secret YouTube channel to prove it's not luck. We could maybe have some silver play buttons, right? Because that visualizes the dream outcome. So we could put like some silver play buttons here, boom, so then have silver play buttons. Now Daniel Bitten actually made this thumbnail and it worked really, really well. Now we're gonna go on to the second thumbnail style for this video, and this is called the box style thumbnail. So what this looks like is just like this. You have your thumbnail, and then you have your person. So you are essentially going to have 6 boxes, right? So you're gonna have 6 boxes, and what inside these boxes, all it's going to be is an icon that shows what you're talking about, right? So let's say that you're talking about real estate, right? So you have a house icon here, house icon, and then you'd have another house, maybe like a condo icon. All right, then we could put like another residential building like this, put that here, right? And then we'll put maybe a different style of house, maybe like a 2-story house here, and then let's just put like, you know, another house here, and then a duplex. This is the overall structure of the thumbnail. So what this is showing the dream outcome like a couple times, right? This thumbnail works especially well if you're doing an in a row to prove it's not luck video. So you could say, I made 6 YouTube channels in a row to prove it's not luck. I bought 6 rental properties in a row to prove it's not luck. And what you're gonna do here is you're also going to add the actual dream outcome of this. So we're gonna use this real estate video as an example. So what we're gonna do is actually draw out the price of each of these. So $2,500 per month. So this creates even more curiosity by blurring that last one. But what we're doing here is essentially just showing the dream outcome, which obviously people who are getting into real estate wanna make money, right? That's their overall goal. So this is essentially a way to show that. That's very, very good. So that is 2 thumbnail styles that will work right now for this video. Okay, so this is the 3-element rule, and this is where 99% of small YouTubers mess up. I see this on almost every single channel I look at, is they have more than 3 elements in their thumbnails, which makes the thumbnails too busy, meaning there's just too much stuff going on. People are confused when they look at it, and it just makes them not want to click. So we fix that using the 3-element rule. So what is an example of this? Well, it would be like this. Let's draw out a thumbnail. Now we're going to have a person, right? So we're gonna draw that person out, and then that person is going to be holding up a telephone to the actual screen, right? So we have an iPhone, and then what we'll have is the dream outcome. So dream outcome. I'm going off one of my old videos. I was doing a video about how to make money, so put 100K and then have like a little graph that goes up. And then what the third element could be is 30 days, right? So this is a great thumbnail because there's only 3 elements on it. There is the text, and then there is the phone, and then there is the person. That is 1, 2, and 3, right? So that's all you need. That is the #1 most important thing when it comes to making thumbnails. And you can actually see when I made this thumbnail for myself, it got 215,000 views on a challenge video when I only had around 2,000 subscribers. But those are just 2 types of videos that you should make, because there is another video that gets views like this, this, and this that you can start working on today. And especially if you are an educator or a business owner, this one video will explode your channel and make you a ton of money. And people like Jordan Bound, Joel Kaplan, and Simon Squibb have all blown up their channels by using it. Now, I won't lie, it's not easy to make, but it will blow up your channel. It's called a free course video, and it is a 4 to 12 hour full course on whatever your channel is about, whether that be how to make matcha, money, or cinematic movies. You see, this video works because of this statistic on YouTube. TV viewership is going up and there's a huge demand for longer videos that someone can just put up on their TV without having to change to a new video every 8 to 10 minutes. No one wants to get off their couch every 10 minutes and grab the remote. It is much easier to put a 30-minute, 1 hour, or even 8-hour video up there and just leave it. And I can guarantee you, if you make a 4 to 12 hour free course, it will blow up your channel. And if you're a business owner, this video will convert way more people than just posting your VSL on YouTube. Because viewers are used to paying hundreds of dollars for courses, that when they see you've dropped one for free, it's almost impossible for them not to click. I mean, check out these 2 tweets by me. One is my average engagement and the other is where I mention my free course. People love it because you are over delivering on the value to the viewer. And when they see that 8-hour timestamp on their homepage, they think, wow, this guy must have spent so long making this video. It's probably an amazing video that has tons of value. But it's actually not as hard to make as you think. All you have to do is map out the step-by-step process of doing your thing start to finish. For example, how do you start YouTube from start to finish? I first mapped out every step of how to grow your YouTube channel to 100,000 subscribers. And then I wrote down some bullet points over the span of a day. Then I recorded all of the videos over a couple weeks. I edited them together and uploaded them on a separate platform. Overall, it took me about 2 months to complete. Then I launched this free course announcement video on my channel, showing you how to get access, what you'll learn by taking it, and how you can use the information inside to blow up your channel to 100,000 subscribers. Thanks, and have a good one.